Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by moving straight to the gate and removing threats. You cannot work under constant attack. Once done, scan the gate edge for a chain, wheel, or sealed arch. This tells you which mechanism to use. Make sure you have a torch for visibility and a stamina potion for quick bursts while you manipulate parts. You're not setting up camp, you are initiating the action now. Keep movement light and deliberate so you can reach the mechanism without alarm. You should then engage the mechanism directly. Climb to the wheel, pull the visible chain, or strike the seam where the gate is sealed. Once done, apply short, timed efforts, pulls or rotations of 2 to 3 repeats so the mechanism moves without jamming. Make sure to monitor nearby alcoves. Triggers often spawn enemies or release counterweights. If a lock resists, rotate slowly and listen for clicks. This tells you when components align. You finish by giving the gate a steady push once the wheel or chain yields. Clear any debris or jammed metal so it can swing freely. Once done, move through cautiously to secure the area. If the gate stalls, step back, reset the mechanism if possible, then repeat the timed pulls. Patience beats brute force. Make sure to check for a secondary lever or a hidden chain nearby and clear enemies that may be pinning parts. If all else fails, reload to the last safe point and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.